Hello everyone, greetings for the day. This is All in One Hub and today we bring you with another exciting video on course reviews. These reviews will help you understand who are these courses for and what can you expect to learn from this course. Are you excited for today's course? Today's course is on Microsoft Cloud for Leaders. We are going to go through a small review on the course on what you can learn and why is it even required. I will also provide you with the lessons which I have learned from this course. This is for absolute business professionals and it is also for beginners who have just started their business and trying to upscale their business. Moving forward with this video, these are the three things which we have to focus. So cloud works on three business models. Infrastructure as a service, which gives you full access of storage and networking. Platform as a service, which helps you to create custom applications and softwares. And software as a service, which is basically the services which we use such as Google Drive and Gmail. Once your business grows, you need to understand the scalability of your business. Many companies are moving to cloud, so they worry less about the storage and focus more on developing their product. You want to be a part of them, right? Doing this, your business insights and reports will be increased. You will also be able to understand the financial budget and your brand awareness also will be increased. So now on to the main question, how to migrate to cloud. Migrating to cloud is quite simple. We have to focus on two things, understanding the full usage of services which we pay, and second, focusing on migration itself, having backup and restore points on the local servers before moving to cloud. The takeaways are you can understand the basic fundamentals of cloud for a business professional, understanding the need and the services which you pay for the cloud, and it also follows a pay as you go model. The badge on the right hand side you can see is the badge which you will get once you complete the course. Oh, and the main attraction. It gives you a business case and a model with the provided formulas to assist you in your business. How is that amazing? The complete course review is available on our blog, which is www.allinonehub.com/reviews. Thank you for staying along. For more reviews, subscribe to our YouTube channel and also you can follow us on these social medias. For more cloud certification, visit us at allinonehub.com. A short introduction about us. When you're confused, you can learn about your courses and what you want to learn from blogs. Once you understand what you want to learn, you can search for the courses which we provide from all over the internet in every field of study. Once you have certification, you want to test your knowledge. We provide that too. You can test your knowledge and prove what you have understood it. And once you have got your strengths, you want to apply to get a hands-on practice. Curious to learn something new? Join us at All in One Hub. See you on the other side.